Hi, I'm Darius Christian Vilneo, and now we'll be talking about the common gender stereotypes in media. Of the many influences on how we view men and women, media are the most pervasive and one of the most powerful. Woven throughout our daily lives, media insinuate their messages into our consciousness at every turn. All forms of media communicate images of the sexes, many of which perpetuate unrealistic, stereotypical, and limiting perceptions. Three themes describe how media represent gender. First, women are underrepresented, which falsely implies that men are the cultural standard and women are important or invisible. Second, men and women are portrayed in stereotypical ways that reflect and sustain socially endorsed views of gender. Third, depictions of relationships between men and women emphasize traditional roles and normalize violence against women. We will consider each of these themes in this section. For women, messages about gender still prioritize beauty over brains. For example, the media may praise women who are thin and fashionable, and put down those who have other body shapes and styles. Treat women and girls as sexual objects. Portray women's key role in life as the caretaker or homemaker. Show women as dramatic, resilient, and over-emotional. For men, these messages may be more nuanced, but they are just as loud and clear. The media may idealize a buff and muscled body shape, stigmatize boys who shows emotion instead of boldness, and depict boys who act recklessly even at the expense of others as cool.